Yeah. My mama told me that GPT was the one. She don't know that cloud got in my thought. Dynamic workflows got my soul. I got my and a rest with the more.
Hello guys, welcome to week 5 of Doing Something, and today we have two more cool people. Yeah, we have Rashmika here, who's Nia's friend, and my friend as well.
And then there's
है ना?
Nia guys. Only to kya?
Yeah, and we both on a sugar cut diet, and this fucker is eating right in front of
Ice,
me.
bro, she ate an ice cream also इससे पहले.
Show what we bought. We bought like fucking mouth cleaner.
I bought earbuds and a white phone.
And what you bought?
I don't like cutting joy out of my life. अगर नहीं खानी थी
And मैंने इससे motivation ली और हम कल 7 बजे से gym जाएंगे.
We are going gym tomorrow 7 o'clock.
And then we'll tell you next week, hopefully.
Yeah.
हम gym जाएंगे.
Yeah. नहीं आप start करो. What? Yeah. Start about what you did this week, and yeah.
Okay, see, the reason I didn't give it to
You're
him
coming 4 diet coke by the way.
कोई बात नहीं और
Fine.
sugar cut
Think about the whole week, like Monday to Friday.
The whole week probably मैं कोई भी क्लास बंक नहीं करूँगी and मैं at least 2 दिन मेस में खाना खाऊंगी.
So how was your week, Nia?
My week was actually very fine only because Monday I went to meet my friends for the
Okay, fine. तो आपने मतलब सब बाहर घूमा and
Yeah.
then यहाँ पे आके you started going out with friends.
Yeah.
No, everybody is part of this happy community, guys. Do subscribe, thank you. ठीक है. Yeah. So what do you think, looking back at this week, आपको क्या change करना होगा?
I should have done my classes on time, which I didn't do. Of course, Emma, that is like my goal also
Valid.
for this sem.
Valid.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. And I should have put my reel out, bro.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about a reel. So
Yeah.
she made a reel. जिसमें she is doing something, but she's not putting it out.
You see, because I'm not able to edit it, and there's just like a couple of places that I don't know what kind of clips to put.
Your face would be like here, and this will go live tonight.
I know.
So
Tonight.
Cool.
Yeah, that's not what I want to do this
Okay.
week, which is
what
like
do you want to improve this week that you are happy about? Just only 3 tasks.
on 3 things. Okay, I want to actually properly interact with people in my class because I'm in a new class, and that is something I did not do in the first and second sem. Like I didn't maintain these connections. The second thing I want to do is actually put out my reel, and the third thing I want to do is like catch up with my course again so that
Yeah, but okay. What do you think this semester you will do one thing जिससे आपको लगेगा कि आपका semester was successful apart from CG and all?
Building my personal brand, basically.
That's nice.
Building my personal brand, posting more on, making my account first of all on Instagram, posting on LinkedIn, getting over that fear of judgment that apart from CG will make a well-rounded self for me.
Alright, so आप हर हफ्ते आओगे और मुझे बताओगे?
Yes.
सबको बताओगे?
One more thing I want to do is apply for Falak core committee because I'm scared of
Yeah,
doing that.
Falak is basically
fest in our college.
yeah, it's a fest in our college, culture fest. But yeah, alright. And then I shipped a landing page, heytab.com. You can go and check it out. कुछ तो बोलो.
What?
I did check it out, but you won't.
Okay, the
fucking
website
get it
which
for
I-
Supposed
iOS.
to send it to me.
Yeah.
You will make
that-
it for iOS.
Yeah, it's not for iOS,
Useless.
and that's a strategic move.
No, why?
Because
All
okay,
the-
hear it out. It's actually a very good topic. And my point was, product बन जाएगा iOS. It's not much time. My point is, I want to make a great product. Okay, a product which people uses. If I ship it for iOS and Android both, my time to ship a feature will 2x because I have to make it for Android and iOS. But if I know in Android that the thing is working, of course it will work the same in iOS. You get it?
Makes sense.
I'm so smart, no? हाँ बोल दो यार.
Very smart.
देखा guys, for the smart, subscribe, thank you.
What are you doing next week?
Yeah, no, Nabi Wani.
Oh, sorry.
Then I made a simple. So my last post on LinkedIn, which I'll send you, actually went viral, semi-viral.
Oh, wow.
I got 25,000 impressions and more than 500 people liking it, hundreds of people asking me to use it. Yeah, but because of that, I actually got a bit. What do you say? My next demo which I was shipping, I was more careful.
You got conscious.
I got conscious, which is, I don't think so is a good thing, because I shipped a demo. You know, the video which you are seeing right now on LinkedIn is something which I don't like, but I just shipped it for the sake of just showing it to the world. Because if I did not, I won't have, you know, like after the first person connection. But yeah, okay, this was this. Next week, okay, so I realized that 2 weeks we have been just building stuff, nothing crazy have been going on, right? Just okay, video बंद हो गई थी. Oh shit, video got closed. Video closed. छोड़ देते, ये भी काट दूंगा मैं.
The video pause.
काट
The
दूंगा.
video got closed.
Uh,
It knows.
ठीक है, yeah. So the demo you're shipping is actually what I don't like. Now actually I'm in college. I have more great lighting. I'll ship much better videos. Yeah, next week. So next week we have everything. Tapper is now a paid program, like a paid tool. It's like, you know, 300, 200 rupees per month. It is because I don't want people to use it for free. Because my end goal is actually make money out of this, of course. So, right. So next week is just to get next 10 paying customers. Like, I don't want 100 customers. I don't want 2,000 customers. I want just 10 customers. And then, okay, I did not tell you this. Not really. B2B is something which I am just looking at. I don't know where the Tapper, yeah, actually, I don't know where the Tapper will go, you know. I don't know which kind of people will actually love using it, but because I don't have a particular ICP, you know, ideal customer profile.
You could.
Yeah, because this is something that will actually really help.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, because this is one thing I learned over the summer. Ha, quite good.
But yeah, that's for the week 5 or 4?
5.
5. Week 5. Cool man. We'll see you in week 6. Bye bye. Can you pause recording? मैं थक गया हूँ बहुत.
बहुत दूर है.